Hello everyone and welcome to channel. Today's equation is 4 to the power a is equal to 100. We have to find the value of a. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's start. Solution. Our equation is 4 to the power a is equal to 100. First we will apply log on both sides. It will become log 4 to the power a is equal to log 100. Now I will apply this formula, that is log a to the power b, that is b log a. So this becomes a log 4 equals to log 100. Write log 4 on the both side. In this case log 4 got cancelled. We are left with a equals to log 100. Log 100 can be written as log 4 into log 25 log 4. Clear? And this can be written as a. This is in the form of log ab, that is log a plus log b. We will use this form. So this become log 4 plus log 25 whole upon log 4. Next we will separate log 4 upon log 4 plus log 25 upon log 4. In this case log 4 got cancelled. Left with a equals to 1 plus log 25 upon log 4. Now log 25 can be written as 5 square and 4 can be written as 2 square. Okay. Now in this case also we will apply this formula. So this become 1 plus 2 log 5 upon 2 log 2. From here 2 and 2 got cancelled. We left with a equals to 1 plus log 5 upon log 2. Now this can be written as log a upon log b equals log a to the base b. It's become a equals to 1 plus log 5 to the base 2. So this is the value of a in our equation. Now let's check whether our answer is correct or not. Our equation is 4 to the power a is equals to 100, where a is equals to 1 plus log 5 base 2. We put the value of a, that is 1 plus log 2 equals to 100. Now this is in the form of a to the power m plus n, which is equals to a to the power m into a to the power n. So this can be written as 4 into 4 to the power log 5 base 2 is equals to 100. You have to check. So this can be written as 2 square log 2 100. This 2 will go to the power that is 5 square. So this become, so this is in the form of a log a to the power b will become this, and this become b. This is a very important formula. So in this case this become 5 square is equals to 100. 4 into 5 square, that is 25, is equals to 100. So 4 into 25, that is 100, equals to 100. Both are equal, means our answer is correct. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.